Translate code across programming languages in seconds with 1min AI code generator. Let's see how it works. For this example, I'll use Claude 4.6 Sonnet. You can also choose from other leading AI models depending on your workflow. I'll start with a Python function and ask 1min AI to convert it into modern JavaScript while preserving the original business logic and using production-ready best practices. In just a few seconds, the translated JavaScript is ready. Notice that the overall logic is preserved, while the syntax has been rewritten using modern JavaScript conventions, such as arrow functions, optional chaining, and ES6 syntax. Translation is only the first step. Before using the code in production, let's quickly review the generated output. Instead of switching to another tool, I'll simply ask 1min.ai to perform a professional pull request review. The AI verifies that the business logic has been preserved, points out potential behavioral differences, highlights edge cases, and suggests improvements that developers should review before deployment. And it doesn't stop there. Let's start a new conversation and convert Java into Go. The code is translated instantly. Now let's try another language pair by converting C# into Rust. Again, the code is generated in just a few seconds while preserving the original logic. Translate code across programming languages faster with 1min AI code generator. Try 1min AI free today and start translating code in seconds.